Do you want to know how to qualify for the BullX Airdrop? Well, in this video, I will show you the prerequisites and requirements to do that. Head over first to your BullX and click onto these three lines. Now scroll down from in here, and in here you can see this airdrop option. Just click on this airdrop and then this redirect to the airdrop right here. So you can see in here the details. We have in here the pool as well as the rank. And we also have in here this early bird option. So for this one, as you can see, I have missed the early bird airdrop and I'm not eligible anymore for this right there. But we can head over right here to the pool and then we can head over and then just go and then climb the leaderboard for this one. You can see in here your rank for this, and as you can see my active boost is only one times and my rank is not yet distinguishable because my rank is low. So you just need to head over and then join using these buttons.